Hello everybody. So, I decided to, I had an original plan where Adafruit has this one thing called the Trinket that uses ATTiny85 to do, basically is a tiny little Arduino. It costs about $6, about the same as a Arduino Pro, which kind of makes you question why you would buy one, because the Arduino Pro is way more I/O. However, the Arduino Pro, I don't believe it has a USB emulation, but ATTiny does, built in. And that's exactly what I wanted, because I wanted to basically use the ATTiny as a tiny little keyboard. But I already have some ATTiny85s, but why not program them? So what I did is that I made up this little board. It's actually pretty simple layout, pinout. It's originally was built for the MIT High-Low Tech Lab, but after that, they were, I don't know, I was, okay. Like, I originally built this board based on the design for the MIT High-Low Tech Lab for the ATTiny85. And that's the entire library. You can just download for the Arduino. They tell you how to hook it up to a Raspberry Pi, and not a Raspberry Pi, a normal Arduino Uno, and you can program an ATTiny. Well, I didn't want to make it. I didn't want to like wire that up every time, so I just made a little board, like very simple. It basically just has all the wires running to it, so I could just like socket in any ATTiny85 that I have and put it in. I also included like the ISP header too, so I could do it that way too. Kind of like 2 for 1. Why not? But the issue is that it doesn't seem like the bootloader that I got from Adafruit that's usually used for like repairing the bootloader if it goes wrong, it doesn't work for this. Like, so if you plug it in, which we'll take a bit, listen carefully. I mean, there should be like this LED right here should be blinking because that's the bootloader, and like even if you short it out, say using a wire that I don't have. Like, you're supposed to, like, short out the reset pin, and, yeah. And then, it'll do stuff. But, you can't see it, but on my computer, I have, like, the bootloader that I got from Adafruit working, and so when I short that out, it'll trigger it, and it'll write it, and you can see it saw the most like initially blinking for a little bit. And that's just like the MOSI MISO for SPI. Just that's the data going through. But after that, it doesn't boot up or anything. I don't know why. It's weird. So I'm kind of bad at loss right now. I don't know. So I guess one for my failures, just use it if you're gonna make one of these. Just use it for the MIT stuff. Maybe try and use it for the VSP. That's probably where I'm going to go for it next. Just raw that instead of basically using a Trinket bootloader. So, more testing. By the way, thank you for like my 5 views and like 2 subscribers. Sweet.